everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Recently, a massage device maker, NAIPO, reached out to me to review their cordless back, neck, and shoulder massager, and I happily said yes. Let's unbox this. Here is the adapter for the wall. You can also charge in your car, which is nice. Here's the main unit. This one is cordless and rechargeable, which means you can enjoy it anywhere. You can use this with the adapter plugged in, but I'm going to charge it so I can use it anywhere, not just within the 70-inch cold range. The battery charging time depends on how much power is left in the unit after sitting in the warehouse, etc. My unit was fully charged in about 3 hours. The blue light goes off when it's fully charged. Let's use as they suggest. First, neck and shoulders. Put it around your neck with the buttons on the left side. There are 4 buttons. The top one is the power. Press it for 3 seconds to turn it on in the cordless mode. If it's plugged in, it starts right away. It's very quiet, so noise is not an issue. The second one is the direction. The unit changes direction every so often, but you can change the direction manually as you wish. Once you manually change the direction, it stays in that direction. The third button is the speed. There are 3 speeds available. From the default setting, you can go faster or slower. I like the default setting for my neck and shoulders. The fourth button is heat. By default, the heater is on. When the red lights are on, the heater is on. But if you don't want the heat, just turn it off. The device has these slings to put your arms through. This is very useful to secure the device when there's no head support on the chair. If there's a head and back support, no need to use the sling. These rollers are very powerful, so it's perfect if you like deep tissue massage like I do. Part of the slings are these straps with Velcro, so you can enjoy the device not just location-free but also hands-free. Simply connect these Velcro straps in the back. It feels a bit bulky, but maybe because I'm only 5'2", and the way the rollers move, there is a lot of movement. You can also wear it like a belt and massage your lower back hands-free. This means I can now give massage while I'm getting massaged, but that would be so unprofessional, so I wouldn't do that to my client. Another configuration is to do diagonally to massage the upper back and mid back. It works as long as it's not hitting the spine. Other than neck and back, you can also massage buttocks, quads, hamstrings, calves, upper arm, forearm, even tummy. I've been gaining weight lately, so I'm hoping this will help reduce the belly fat from the kneading and heat. But it's probably a wishful thinking, I know. And feet while sitting. You can do legs both sides together or one side at a time for more focused work and to hit the sides of the legs. When you're not powering it up, it works great as a static acupressure device. I weighed myself with and without the device, and the weight differential was 3.6 pounds. I happened to go on a trip, so I took it with me. Because of its size and movement, I wouldn't use it while driving, but it's a nice treat for the passenger. Certain body parts are more sensitive than others. Whenever you feel the strength is too much, you can cover it with a towel or wear thicker clothes to make it less intense. Fully charged, it's supposed to last for 2 hours. The device automatically shuts off after 15 minutes. I would rest it between the sessions to avoid overheating. It is not meant to be placed on the floor to lie on. My friend tried it on her back while lying face down. There was not enough pressure, but if you strap it really tight, it works much better. Since it's portable, I asked them if I could take this on an airplane, and here's the reply. I have asked, the massager can be used on an airplane. The battery is 2100 milliamps times 3, so it's 6300. There is no problem, I think. The "I think" at the end kind of makes it questionable, but if my calculation is right, it's only 6.3 watts, which is way below 100 watts limitation for the lithium-ion battery for the airplanes. So I plan to take this with me on an airplane the next time I fly. One suggestion: although it's pretty self-explanatory, please use bigger fonts in the user's guide or make it available online. It's just way too small for people with deteriorating eyesight, which most likely are the audience who would enjoy this massager, besides younger athletes. The retail price is $79.99, but they're offering 20% off using the code YASUKOSV. For the very first time, my name is part of a discount code, which is so cool. I traded on Amazon and it works. Here's 20% off, or $16 off. This code is valid on Amazon and on their site until September 15th, 2019. The links are in the description, so go check it out. Thank you, NAIPO, for the opportunity to try your product and the discount offer for my audience. I was very impressed with the power it gives, and I love the portability and the hands-free feature. And it becomes pretty compact too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.